In this lesson, we're going to begin our exploration of the draft command. I'm going to click the draft tool from the command manager. From the type of draft drop-down selection, I'm going to choose a neutral plane. Let's enter a draft angle of 10 degrees. Let's select the neutral plane. Now I'm going to select the faces to draft. Let's click Preview. Here we can see these two faces are drafted as we'd selected. Deactivate the Preview button. And now let's change the draft direction. Okay, we'll preview it again. Here you see the faces are drafted out. Let's deactivate the Preview button and deselect these faces. Now let's explore the Face Propagation menu. Along tangent, let's select this face. SolidWorks will draft all faces tangent to this face. Click Preview to see what this looks like. Deselect the preview. Our next choice is All Faces. Let's click the preview, and here we can see that all the faces are drafted out. If we change the direction and click Preview, you can see that all the faces are drafted inward. Okay, the next one, Inner Faces. Click Preview to see that all inner faces are now drafted. Unselect the Preview button. The last option is Outer Faces. In this case, all faces next to the neutral plane. Let's click Preview to see what that looks like. And we see that all the other faces are now drafted. Unselect the Preview button and click OK.